how do I mix my Keto Chow?
Okay. So the way that I do it, if I have time, is actually I picked this up from Joe and from Wendy, Loving on Keto. I've started putting the fat, and which is usually melted butter, and the water into my Vitamix blender and turn it on really low, like super low. Then I take the lid off and put the scoops in while it's running, and it doesn't stick to the sides. It just, it's ready to go.
I've been doing it like that for a long time.
Well, okay. Also, if I'm testing one at work, I'll just put in a half cup of, well, to the 4-ounce line of heavy cream, and I've drawn a line on the sides of the blender bottles because it's a lot of times hard to see that line. And then I'll put in the Keto Chow, water, shake it up, stick it in the fridge. What about you?
Lately I've been super lazy and I just take the ball out of my blender bottle, put 33 grams of butter in it, put the blender bottle in the microwave, melt it.
Is that why they're all sticky now?
Then I put the ball in, warm water, Keto Chow, shake.
You just shake it up, huh?
Yeah, just shake it. I don't care. I've been adding collagen to mine too. So
Oh, okay.
I like it.
Wellman says I put hot water over my butter to melt it with a metal
perfect.
shaker ball on the bottom. Add Keto Chow, add cool water shake. I don't do microwave, so just heat up the water and kettle to 160
That's such a
degrees.
good idea. We actually have a kettle downstairs in the Keto Chow break room. We could
Yep.
be doing that. Why have I not been thinking that? Thank you.